The project was inaugurated and we have also not started using the kind of the road tail. Maybe we will start using it in a couple of days because we are also doing a trial run. Basically, I don't know what is the controversy. I think if it is about the gate which we have put, it's an entry point to the port. All the entry points to the port will have to be secured. So we are an ISPS compliant port where we follow the international guidelines to secure so all the entry points, if there are anything through which people can enter, there will be a gate. See, it is not the public. What we have to understand is that project is a port connectivity project. That can be decided by the government of Goa through a proper kind of a traffic. Our concern is there are two concerns. One is related to port security. Any entry point to the port will have to have a gate, but then it will not be closed on a kind of a daily basis. How the traffic has to move, that the government of Goa has to kind of tell us how the traffic should move. Where will the traffic police be?